everybody, it's Heather from Cottontail Crafts. I just thought I would jump on and do a yarn unboxing. So just before Christmas, I placed an order with Premier, and then I also placed an order with Herrschners. And I thought I would just jump on and unbox it and then go over the numbers, because I live in Canada and we don't have access to good yarn shops like y'all do down in the States. So I thought I would do this video like to help any other Canadians out there and kind of break it down for you and everything. So I think what I'll do is, the first thing I'll do is I'll show you what I got from Premier, and then I'll show you what I got from Herrschners, and then I'll break down like how many balls I got from each company and how much I paid and all that good stuff. So I'm just gonna move all my paperwork to the side here because I got some notes written down. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm also in the process of cleaning up my room. I did take some video footage of what it looked like before, and it was a disaster. So I did order some yarn storage off of Amazon. So that's supposed to show up on Sunday. And then I ordered a electric yarn winder, and that's supposed to come on Sunday as well. So once I get my yarn storage, I will put away all my new yarn, and that'll be a separate video. So that'll probably just be like a craft room makeover. But the yarn I wanted to do separately for y'all. And then I'm also in the works of my video for Monday of what I crocheted this week. So yeah. So Premier, I ordered 3 balls of emerald, and I'm going to keep these in the bags until I actually have to open them. Just, you know, keep them dust free, because my craft room is in the basement, so I would prefer to keep all of my yarn in the bag until I have to open it. I ordered 2 balls of key lime, and I have never had this color before, because the one time I did order Parfait Chunky off of Maxium, which is a Canadian site, they never had this yarn in stock. And Maxium is very limited in the color choices. Like, I think Premier has like 53 different yarn colors, versus I'm not sure how many colors Maxium has, but it's not much, and they're always out of stock. So that's why I decided to order from Premier, and then somebody told me about Herrschners, so I thought I would order from both companies. And I did not have to pay any extra fees when I got my yarn, so that's good. So I just paid the duty and taxes at the time of payment. So I ordered 3. Oh, I guess I ordered 2 teddy bear and 1 mustard. I think I ordered 6 of these. I ordered 6 seal, because Maxium never has the gray in stock, and I've never owned Parfait Chunky gray before, so I ordered 6. Then I ordered I ordered 3 white. I think I still have like 6 in stock, but I never want to run out of white again. I ordered 3 pale gray, another color I've never had before. And I ordered some key lime in the Parfait Chunky Glitz because I want to do some leggy froggies with the glitter yarn. I don't know if you can see that glitter on camera. It's really pretty. So I ordered 2 key lime glitz. And then I ordered some sage glitz with the glitter because I want to do leggy froggies and turtles. And I've never had these colors before either. I ordered 1 tangerine. The only thing I really use this for is like my mallard ducks, like the feet and the beaks. And then I ordered another yellow sunshine, and this is the glitter yarn too, because I wanted to do some bees. And then I ordered Parfait Chunky Glitz in the black because I guess I ordered 2 because I wanted to do some of my killer whales with the glitz yarn. So I got 2 of those. So I'm just gonna put them back in the bag until that. And then I ordered some pixie dust. I ordered 1 black. I ordered 1 white. And it's kind of like the fuzzy yarn with the glitter in it. And then I ordered 2 of the yellow because I want to make fuzzy bumblebees. So that is the Pixie Dust Brights. So that's everything I got from Premier. And that was 32 balls of yarn that I ordered from Premier. So I'm just going to throw all these back in the box. And then I'll show you what I got from Herrschners. And it seems to me that some of them I ordered like the same colors. So I'm just going to put this box aside. And Herrschners, they sent it in a big box. And it's like a quarter empty. So I'm just gonna raise this on my garbage can so it's a little bit higher. Okay, so Herrschners, I also ordered 32 balls from them. And most of these I did in a pack of 3. And this one is corn flour. Pink lemonade, black, orchid. I've never ordered this color before. Isn't that pretty? I ordered 3 yellow because I normally do sunshine, but this is a little bit of a paler yellow, so I wanted to do that. I got 3 mustard, 3 emerald for my mallard ducks. I ordered 6 more white. Like I said, I'm never running out of white ever again. And then I ordered, what color is this? Iris, another color I've never had before. And then I ordered some pom-pom, parfait chunky pom-pom, which I've never ordered before, and this is Limelight. So I thought this would be cute for like leggy froggies as well. Okay. I'm just going to leave that yard up there for now. Okay, so I'm in Canada, and the Premier, we'll talk about Premier first. I ordered 32 balls. I ordered it on December 20th, and I got it on January 3rd. So that's pretty good, because that's like right before Christmas. My order came to $192.22 US. So with the conversion into Canadian funds, I paid $268.31. So that's quite a bit more. I should have figured out how much I paid per ball. But anyway, from Premier, the balls are $4.99 US each. And it was mostly parfait chunky that I got. So I guess we can do it that way. So, Herrschners, I ordered 32 balls. I ordered it on December 23rd, and I received it on January 5th. Again, that is pretty good. That's like 2 days before Christmas. $152.71 US versus $192.22 US. So I think the reason why Herrschners was so much cheaper is because Premier, I paid $4.99 a ball, whereas with Herrschners, I paid $10.97 for a 3-pack, which works out to be $3.65 per ball. So it's better for me to order from Herrschners than Premier, unless Premier is running a sale. So $152.71 US converts to $211.46 Canadian. So Premier 32 balls was $268 versus Herrschners 32 balls was $211. So it's like $50 difference. So I think from here on in, I'm probably going to order it from Herrschners versus Premier, because it's a little bit cheaper to buy the 3-pack. So I just thought I would jump on, do my unboxing, break it down for you. Like if you live in Canada, we don't have Hobby Lobbies, we don't have Joann's. So those are the 2 American companies that I bought from. Just to let you know, like there was no extra fees when the yarn showed up, which is good. Most of the duties and taxes were built right into the price like when I paid, so it's good to know that there's no additional charges, because sometimes when things show up you have to pay like extra at the post office for like custom fees. So there were no custom fees, which is very, very good. Very happy. So I'm going to wrap it up, and I will upload my craft room makeover once I get my storage and get my room finished. And then I think I'll probably do a little review on my electric yarn winder that I bought. I have so much yarn that I want to wind up, and where I've been having problems with my wrists, I figured I'll just pay a little bit extra to have the electric yarn winder. And I did watch 2 videos on YouTube, and both of them liked it a lot, so I got it off Amazon. I'll do that review when I get it, and I'll play around with it, and I'll box it with you. So that's it for this one. This is just my yarn unboxing, and we will see you soon. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.